Hi class, this is Zach. In the gradient folder in the Photoshop file, I'm going to just quickly make a gradient because I think this is a lot of fun. I did put a tutorial that's written step by step, but I'm just going to show you freely how to do it. So let's go to File, Open, and pick a photo to put a gradient on. I think I'll choose this boat. Okay, and I'm going to check out my layers area. Look over here, see layers. Check that you have them open, you have your tools open, and let's put a gradient around this so that the boat kind of sticks out of it. So I'll pick a color for my gradient. I'm going to click. I think we need to stay neutral. I'm thinking maybe this color of this motor. Let's use that. It looks like a navy blue, but it's probably black in real life. But I'm going to take it as navy blue. So when I hit the eyedropper, it gave me exactly that color here. So I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to go back to my layers area and watch my cursor. See this circle where it looks kind of like a yin yang? Click that and go to gradients. As watch what happens to the layers. You see I added this on top. Now look at the picture too. You can change the angle. You want it to come out of the corner. You want it to come right from the bottom. Play around with that. I like that. I'm going to hit OK. But I feel like the boat is a little dark. So I'm going to take an eraser and erase this. But watch what happens when I click eraser. It doesn't let me do it. This is the weird part where you have to follow my cursor and watch. Go to layer, rasterize, fill content. Okay? That just kind of unlocks the gradient so that you can take an eraser or any tool to it. My eraser is way too tiny. I'm going to take that up here. Bigger, way bigger. Look how big that is. I want to keep it a soft round one and not so hard shaped because it looks natural being soft. I'm just going to click a few times in the middle. Look at that boat starting to get bright, yet it's still dark in the areas around it. Okay, so that is a subtle way to use a gradient. I prefer that way when you want to darken edges. Don't just take a brush to it. Also, there is a gradient tool here which I prefer you not to use. It's pretty ugly. It's underneath the paint bucket. It's called gradient tool. You click on that. It's difficult to make it look nice. There's pre-made gradients and they're just so ugly. I'm going to click one right now and watch what happens. I can't even see my boat anymore. You really don't have, I'm going to do Control Z to get rid of what I just did. You really don't have much control over that. And I really don't like that as a background or either. It's overused too much. It's kind of bad photoshopping. Stick with the gradient down here with the yin yang. First you pick a color, you go to the yin yang, you hit gradient, you rasterize it, and then you take your big fuzzy eraser brush right into the middle or on your subject. You add some text around it, and that's it. You file, save as, give it a name, and upload it to Schoology, and that's assignment is done. Good luck.